have another day with me. I'm gonna show you how it looks. That is not even the worst part. Hello everyone, how are you guys? Hope you're doing good, hope you're doing fine, I'm fine as well. So let's have another day with me. Apparently you guys loved the last one and I thought why not? Because you guys would love to see that. So yeah. Let's have another day. So I just woke up and it is currently 8 right now. 8:10 maybe, but it's very early in the morning. Look at the sun. It's not going to be in the entire house. Even that's because of the thunderstorm last night. That's how bright it is. Let's make some tea. What is this, you guys? Do you know the name of this? And if so, what do you call this in your own language? Oh, that looks a little bit dirty, but don't judge. I don't even know what this is. One of the best milks for fantastic tea. So I was amazed to see so many people watching my video from Indonesia and Germany. So welcome you guys. Thank you for watching this content. And I hope I'll be able to show you the real experience, the real Pakistani experience. Anyways, let's cook. And I'm gonna make some parathas. If you don't know what this is, it's fried flatbread, if that makes sense. Let me show you how we make our flatbread here in Pakistan. Here's the dough, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the dough. I'm gonna take the dough and I'm going to turn it into a round ball. Just like this. We're gonna make around 4 parathas.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So let me show you how I make the layers of this paratha. It's gonna be really good. I make really good parathas. So let's go. First, we need to flatten this out. I'm gonna sprinkle in some salt. I'm gonna add some oil. Is to just round this up from here. Turn it into a big snake. Fold this up.
Nice.
So I was working on a new piece. It's gonna be a set. Look how delicate this is. It's still in the process of making, so yeah, hence all this glitter. So this is what I made. It's supposed to be a necklace, and I'm also gonna make a bracelet, a matching bracelet for this set. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks, and yeah, I'll take some pictures. So this is what I made. It's supposed to be a necklace, and I'm also gonna make a bracelet, a matching bracelet for this set. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks, and yeah, I'll take some pictures. This is hot, and the room is cool, and the AC is currently set on 28.5.
I always fry burger patty and fries together. Don't come at me for this atrocity.
So here is a burger for Arif. Do you like it, Arif? Yes. Do you want to eat this burger?
Yes.
So thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
So this is my lunch, and I had my root canal done a while ago, and it was fine for a while, but now I feel like things are not okay with that molar, and I need to go for the checkup. I do feel pain and some tenderness. I can't chew from this side for sure. It's a sick day for us. I have 3 to 4 different things going on every single hour, and when I'm able to be in control of all the work that I'm supposed to do, it really makes me happy. I have the dental appointment at 7, and currently it's currently 1 p.m. So we have a few hours to kill before the time comes, so let's hope for the best. I don't know if you can see, there's no swelling. I can't see any swelling. Really hoping things go okay. I don't want another surprise there. So I got ready for the appointment, and it's getting later. Anyways, I believe at 7, and it's almost 7. So let's see what happens. We ordered, and this one's mine. I bought this for my father. These are mine. These are his. There's something so comforting about McDonald's. I'm super proud of it, but it is what it is. I am back after a thorough checkup from the doctor. As expected, things are not looking good, and there's an expensive treatment that he recommended me that I should go for. Otherwise, it's gonna be difficult for me to maintain this molar. Otherwise, we have to extract it. So the doctor who performed the root canal, apparently this is his words that he asked me to go for the crown on that molar, which I don't remember. But then again, there's a likelihood that he did say it and I just completely forgot because I had to flew to another country like 2 days after that procedure happened, so I don't recall that conversation. And because there's no crown on that molar, it is aching. There is not a lot of infection going on. That's why there's no there's no swelling on my face. I've been given an extensive medication for the treatment that's gonna go on for like the next 5 days. But then crowning in itself is a very expensive procedure and a very expensive one as well. That is not even the worst part. The worst part is coming. So I extracted one of my wisdom tooth, then again 2 years ago, and three were left that needed to be like extracted at some point of time. And I was putting it at the back bench, and I was not thinking about it, but apparently all three of them need extraction. All three of them. Mind you, it's really painful. The first one that got extracted was so painful and so traumatic. I still have nightmares of that teeth being extracted. It was so difficult, so painful, and for the next 10 days, I was in sheer pain. That was my top wisdom tooth, somewhere here, that was extracted. And now, the fun part. According to the doctor, the lower wisdom teeth needs more attention. They are really hard to extract, and it requires assistive surgery, which means there will be stitches involved, there will be rest involved, there are a lot of medications involved, so they are way harder than the one that was extracted up here somewhere. So it just gave me a little bit of goosebumps, so which means that I have to be at the doctor for a very long time now. I will have to visit his clinic for a while now because it's gonna be expensive, it's gonna be difficult, it's gonna be traumatic, it's gonna be all of those stuff, and I'm not ready for any of that. But let's find the silver lining no matter what happens, because positivity is the way to go. For now, it's good. Things are sorted out, and I have to take medication for the next 5 days. So it's 1 at this moment, and I think I should sleep because I'm so tired. Also, my son is not well, so I might have to wake up in the middle of the night. But right now, I really need to sleep because I'm so sleepy, and this is my sleeping time. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button that you can see down here, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for being here and for supporting this channel. This means a lot to me. If you want me to make any video, please do comment it down in the comment section. I will get back to you and definitely create the content that you would like to see. Thank you so much, and I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.